We are presently at Upper Mission Road, New Era College, Benin City. A school that has produced great women. School that has produced lawyers, medical doctors, politicians, diplomats that know their onions. This structure, move forward, this structure was built by Comrade Adams Aliyu Shomole that handed over to the technocratic governor of Edo State, Governor Godwin Obaseki. Just take a look at the structure. Just take it round. Yes, these are the structures built by Comrade Adams Aliyu Shomole to give veneration, to give respect to Samuel Ogbemudia, the two-time governor of the old Pende State. The rationale behind the construction of this very gigantic structure is to give a sense of belonging to the students of New Era College. Students are supposed to be learning in a serene environment, not in a very harsh environment that will exacerbate their psychological and mental development. Just take a look at this place, the classes. There are chairs. In fact, there are 21st century chairs everywhere. But we don't know the reason why this structure is still there without students having access. This structure, these classrooms, even with chairs, students are still learning in a very archaic buildings that cannot be used by pig and piglet. This very fine building, even with air conditioner. I think there's a big generator there. We'll move to that place. Just take a look at the structure. Come. Very fine structure. Structures that are supposed to build the intellectual sagacity of students. Students are supposed to be thinking well in this environment. But this structure to the classes are still under lock and key, even though it has been commissioned by former governor of Edo State, Governor Adams Aliyu Eric Oshomole. Under lock and key, okay. Just take a look at how these structures have been taken over by elephant grass, very stubborn grass. This structure is now housing rodents. This structure is now housing snake, scorpion, very dangerous animals to the extent that we just take a look. Just take a look at what is happening.
Yeah.
There is in fact, this fine structure is now a place where Igbobians sit down and smoke in their hair. Whereas our students are learning in a very harsh environment. Just take a look. Just come. Look at the structure. High structure with air conditioner. 21st century. If our students where they learn here go to think when Ajebo and Ajebota. Just leave the grass.
Taking over the building.
Nazis have taken over the building. Very fine structure built by Comrade Adams Aliyu Shomole to assuage the educational pains and pangs of students, the children of the Raptors and the Bopti, the children of the Flotsam and Jetsam, the children of the wretched of the earth. Okay, let us now move to where students are learning. Students of New Era College are learning. Let's now go there. And what we get kind of environment, we are thinking of producing medical doctors. We are thinking of producing lawyers. We are thinking of producing governors of the state and even presidents. Let's go to the classrooms. Let's go to the classroom. Look at this old archaic building that is supposed to be resuscitated, that is supposed to be rehabilitated by the government. Look. Those people, there is no fence here. As big as this school, the government of the day has not given feet to protect our children. Whereas their children are taking the best school in UK, United States of America, in Dubai, in Ghana. What are our sins? What are our sins? What are our sins? I don't know if it is a sin to be a citizen of the Federal Republic of Nigeria. This is the toilet. Look, this is the toilet. With infection. Toilet of infection. Zoom the toilet. Okay, and let's go to the classroom. What are classrooms? Okay, this is the classroom. Even no door. Don't even check, no door. There is no door. Just come in, come. Look at people notes, yes. Look at here. Our students. Where our students learn. Look at where our students learn. Look at the classroom. Don't take a look at the series. No, there is a gigantic building. Lying follow there. So they now sit down. Today, let's sit down. Come. Arrange stones. Yes. Is this not a show of shame? This is very, very sardonic. It is ludicrous even in the days of medievalism, in the days of archaism, in the days of antediluvianism. We didn't experience this kind of ash. Our children didn't experience this kind of ash condition. This kind of ash condition. Take a look at the text. This kind of ash conditions. And our politicians today attended school. Okay, let's go. Staff room. This is the staff room. Imagine this is the staff room. Imagine the intellectual and educational concordability. Look at the staff room of teachers. As if our teachers are animals. Animals live better than them. That is the truth. Nothing but the truth. You must be bold enough to speak truth to power.
This principal office.
Okay, this is the principal office. The principal office without louvers. Yeah? Principal office without louvers. Even without cutting. It's a show of shame that at this juncture, Look at, yes, principal's office. Capture it very well. Principal P-R-O-I-N-C-I-P-L-A-S office. Principal's office. No curtain, no window. Look at principal's office. And you expect our children to improve or to grow up psychologically, educationally, intellectually, and otherwise. Yes, this is the library, empty library.
Empty library.
Empty library.
Just show the books on the wall.
Yes, empty library.
Look at the books on the wall.
Come, a library without door.
No door.
No door. School library, New Era College.
Library, yeah, school library.
This is school library. School library.
Students study.
Okay. Yes, we want to use this medium to call on the vacancy governor to rescue our children from this state of educational quagmire, from this state of educational igi-haga that will further exacerbate the already psychological development of our children, putting it into perspective that politicians attended school at the expense of government. When Chief Obafemi Awolowo, in fact, contested election in the Second Republic, one of his philosophies is a free education at all levels. And Professor Folorunso Ali was elected governor of the all Bender State that implemented the philosophy of Unity Party of Nigeria, UPN, where education was, in fact, free at all levels. This free education policy gave opportunity for politicians that are now politicians, senators that are now senators, give them opportunity to attend school free at all levels. We cannot continue like this. Enough is enough. Our children must be provided with a conducive environment, and that's all structure. That new structure there built by Comrade Adams Ali Oshomole should be used judiciously. We are giving them 7 days ultimatum to open this place for our children to be learning in a serene environment. Failure for the government of Edo State to do that, we shall not fail to mobilize our people vertically and horizontally for a peaceful protest to say Kabudo rejectamenta to this kind of educational state of affairs whereby our children cannot think very well. Thank you.